Welcome to this super quick September calendar bullet journal video. I'm so glad you're here. Life has been pretty crazy, and so I decided to go for the fastest, most efficient way of making my bullet journal calendar that I could. So it's basically just a calendar. One weekly spread on every 2 pages with the date and the day at the top. I made it pretty simple, so after I went all the way across the top, I went back and I did lines in between each day. This made for a really streamlined look, and it's super simple. It did not take very long. The thing that I did end up going back to was I ended up making a big bold line between the list and the dates. I really did it to cover that mistake in the beginning, but I really liked the way that it made a differentiation between the days and the list of things to do for the week. It's September now, and so I am using the calendar, and I am really enjoying the look of it and the simplicity, and I feel like the space for the days is plenty long enough and plenty wide enough, but I do wish the list was a little bit wider, because it's hard to write on such a small space if I have more than just a note or two. Every month seems to bring something a little different, and here is my September. I hope your month goes really well, and I hope to see you again next time. Like and subscribe if you want more.